In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reusable block on WordPress. So in order to create a reusable block on your WordPress, first thing you need to do is to head over and then sign up for an account if you do not have one yet. You can go over to their website, which is wordpress.com, in order to do this. Alternatively, if you already have an account, just like I did, you can click onto this login option that we can see right here in order to successfully log in into your account. Now here is my actual website. So in order to add something as a reusable block, you need to head over and then select the entirety of that particular block. So for example, I have in here this and this right here. You can just select or select any blank part of this block. As you can see, it's recognized as a block. You can click onto these three dots right here. Scroll down and in here you can see this create template part. Head over and click on this and you can name it. For example, let's make this reusable category. You can assign this as general, header, or footer. I'll assign this as general and click on add. Once you have done that, this should be able to be added as a template part that you have. And in here, you can see this. So in order to utilize this, you can click onto this plus icon. And in here, you can click on patterns option. And in here, you can just scroll down and then locate the one that you want. So we have several patterns for several options as well. So we also have Despinol as well as pages, locations, and the likes. You can also head over right here to our blogs, and in here, you can search in here for template. In here, you can see the template port. Head over and click on this. And in here, you can click on this choose option and then select in here the one that we have added earlier. You can just select on it and it will be added just like this. So that's how you create a reusable block on WordPress. Hope we helped.